you like coffee? It improves alertness and memory, facilitates digestion, reduces appetite, and is a great source of antioxidants. So there is no doubt that a moderate consumption brings benefits to the health. Recently on the channel, we made a video about drinking coffee with sugar. If you haven't watched it yet, click on the link and watch it after this video. But do you know when is the best time of day to drink a cup of coffee? The biggest part of the Western world has a habit of drinking coffee in the first hours of the morning, right after waking up. However, according to experts, if you want to feel more awake to do your tasks during the afternoon, it's better to not consume caffeine so early. According to researcher Stephen Miller, from University of Health Science of Maryland in the USA, when we wake up, our body produces high doses of cortisol, the stress hormone, responsible for making us feel anxious. So if we consume caffeine in this period, the cortisol levels increase even more and can be dangerous to naturally anxious people. Later, when both caffeine and cortisol levels decrease, we feel more tired than expected. The easiest way of feeling ready in the morning is to sleep well during the night. In addition to this, you want to drink your coffee in the best hours, which are from 9:30 a.m. to 11:30 a.m. and from 1:30 p.m. to 5 p.m. If you want to lose weight, caffeine can help you. According to a study published in 2017 in the scientific magazine Nature Communications, there's a specific moment of the day that we can count on coffee to help with losing weight. Just drink it half an hour before doing any physical activity. According to the researchers, consuming it before your activities increases the energy levels and, consequently, burns up to 200 more calories, although this number may vary from person to person. How is it possible? The secret is in caffeine. It's not for nothing that caffeine is one of the main ingredients of energy drinks, since it is quickly absorbed and enters the bloodstream only 15 minutes after being ingested. It can also improve your physical and mental performance. Interesting, right? Don't forget to drink coffee 30 minutes before doing your exercises. And of course, don't use sugar. And remember, only drinking coffee won't bring you any results. A healthy diet and regular exercises are necessary to lose weight in a healthy manner. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.